नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं एफएम एक्सप्रेस न्यूज और मैं हूं आपके साथ मानवी ठाकुर। शुरुआत करते हैं आज की खास खबरों से।
महिला विश्वविद्यालय कन्नड़ सभा भवन नई दिल्ली में लाडली फाउंडेशन, जिला प्रशासन, कर्नाटक राज्य अक्क महादेवी महिला विश्वविद्यालय विजयपुरा, लाडली फाउंडेशन ट्रस्ट नई दिल्ली की ओर से 16 लाख की लागत से एआई तकनीक युक्त हाईटेक शौचालय के निर्माण कार्य का शिलान्यास करते हुए लाडली फाउंडेशन की स्वच्छता दूत कुमारी शिफा ने कहा कि अपर्याप्त स्वच्छता सुविधाएं स्कूलों और कॉलेजों में लड़कियों की शिक्षा पर सीधा असर पड़ता है। उचित सुविधाओं के अभाव के कारण कई लड़कियां अपने मासिक धर्म के दौरान स्कूल छोड़ देती हैं। इससे न केवल उनके शैक्षणिक प्रदर्शन पर असर पड़ता है, बल्कि स्कूल छोड़ने की दर भी बढ़ती है। सरकार और विश्वविद्यालयों को महिलाओं के स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा के लिए अच्छी स्वच्छता सुविधाएं प्रदान करने पर अधिक जोर देना चाहिए। हमें व्यक्तिगत स्वच्छता से संबंधित प्रथाओं का अभ्यास करना चाहिए। यह बैक्टीरिया, वायरस और बीमारी को दूर रखने में मदद करता है। साथ ही हमें जहां तहां कूड़ा न फेंककर दूसरों को भी कूड़ा नहीं फेंकने देना चाहिए, ताकि हम स्वच्छता बनाए रख सकें। जावेद जमादार ने अपने विचार रख समरभदा महिला विश्वविद्यालय की डीन प्रोफेसर शांता देवी, जिला एनएसएस नोडल अधिकारी प्रकाश राठौड़ा, विश्वविद्यालय शिक्षा विभाग के प्रोफेसर विष्णु शिंदे, जिला युवा अधिकारी राहुल डोंगरे ने बात की। डॉक्टर अशोक सुरपुर, डॉक्टर उदय कुमार कुलकर्णी, प्रोफेसर प्रजापति, प्रोफेसर देवी लक्ष्मी, डॉक्टर अश्विनी उपस्थित रहे।
About our survey about the government schools where there were no sanitation facilities, there were no washrooms for the girls. The girls are there, they had to go out of the school in the open area to relieve themselves and to relieve the bladder pressure. That created a lot of distress in them. Not only it just affected the concentration in the class, like you are sitting in the class, you have a lot of bladder pressure, and just imagine you are in a class, you have a bladder pressure and you have the urgency to use the washroom. But the problem is the washroom is far. Or else there is no washroom at the place. Then what would you do? That would create a mental distress in yourself that hindering your concentration in the class. You would not think whatever is happening in the class. Your main problem is you have bladder pressure and you need to search for a washroom or else go in the open. Going in the open areas, that might not look as a huge problem to the people over here, but it is the most biggest problem. Because going in the open, there you might not realize, one might not realize the amount of bacteria developing over there. Those bacteria directly or indirectly affecting your bladder. One might not know at the exact point that the bacteria has affected me. Like you would think it is just a matter of 1 or 2 seconds or few seconds. Then how will it affect me? It really does. Bacteria require 0.01. Society is for everybody and everybody has this human right. So consider it. And about the Laddly Foundation, we started it in the government schools. Focusing on the government schools because government schools lack sanitation facilities, especially washroom. The previous school which I visited in Bijapur, Koti, had no access to this washroom, and that's a girls' school to medium school. There were no washrooms there. The girls have to sit there for 6 to 7 hours without the washrooms. Just imagine the problems that they would face, the problems that you would face if you would be at their place. The university has good access to washroom, I believe, but us installing the washroom is to spread the initiative, to spread awareness more and more, because you people are the upcoming youths, like the youths, and if the youths understand the factor, then they will keep on spreading it, and when the matter is spread, our goal is achieved, that is to make the society aware about the term of sanitation. I would not speak much, but that's what I wanted to address.